Greetings to my unbelievable, beautiful, sexy V family all over this planet and on other planets. We are not sure, but I'm sure our message has reached the universe. This is your one and only sexiest man alive. All right, your upline, Padman Senatiraja, sending you greetings from the most beautiful, amazing city in the world, Dubai. I just finished sharing at the Limitless World Tour event in Dubai. It was unbelievable to see the passion, the commitment, the energy of the crowd. It was like I'm attending a mini VCon in Dubai. All right, it was unbelievable. All the AVPs were there, the V councils, members of the coin service, the in service. And it reminded me of so many things. It reminded me of a message my mentor, our visionary, Dato Sri Vijay, shared with me many, many years ago. All right, and this Wednesday message, I want you to listen very carefully to me and look into these gorgeous eyes and focus, because I am speaking to you. All right, that the reason why I record this Wednesday message so close that you can see me is because I want you to know that I'm not talking to a crowd, that I'm not talking to the world. I am, but I'm talking to the world through each one of you. That my Wednesday messages have always come from my heart. All right, and I hope it reaches yours. So focus and listen to your chief, all right, on this Wednesday message, because this is a topic that completely changed my perception of my existence in the V family, in QNet, my role, all right, as a humble student and downline of Dato Sri Vijay and Japadas Bismarck, our founders. And the topic today is duty. Now, I know that we don't use this word much today. But in the early days, our fathers, our grandfathers, our moms, our grandmothers took this word very seriously. That duty is very different from action. It's very different from doing something. Duty is a different level of commitment. Duty is something you don't compromise. Duty is something you perform at any sacrifice. All right, you will give up anything to perform your duty. All right, that we always say your duty towards your country. This is a coat a soldier carries. A soldier carries the coat of duty. A soldier is willing to die for his country. This is the level of commitment of the word duty. Now we and the next generation and the future generation of the world, I think this word will no longer exist. That no one will actually understand what duty means. And I'm speaking to all the women, all right, my ladies out there, especially those of you all who are mothers today and you have kids, that a mother performs, I think, the greatest duty in mankind towards a child or children. We always say it's the mother's duty. We never say it's the mother's job, all right? We never say it's the mother's job description. All right, we never say it's the mother's activity. We always use the word like mother's duty, because a duty means you do it at any cost. And mothers have proven this, like my mother did, God bless her soul. All right, she would sacrifice anything to fulfill her duty of a mother. And that's where I saw the significance of the word duty. But in everything else we do, we never use the word duty. And today I want to introduce this word to our industry, all right? I also believe in relationships. The duty of a man towards his woman or woman towards her man, whether it's husband and wife, it's love, all right? It's whatever you call it, whether it's bunny love, bumblebee love, okay, whatever you want to call it, all right? It is significant because it is a duty. That means you become irrelevant. Your duty takes priority over yourself. Now, I believe in our industry, no one uses the word duty. We use the word duty in in-service, in ISB. That's why VCon runs to a level of perfection. Because the men and women, my downlines who serve at VCon for Dato Sri Vijay, for Japa, for all of you, we call it our duty. Our duty is to serve. All right? Our duty is to serve. Now, I realize that the reason why I sit here today as your upline, all right, is simply because I see my journey in network marketing as a duty. And I want to divide duty to two aspects. Number one, a duty as an upline. Number two, a duty as a networker. A duty to our industry, duty to QNet, right? Duty to this concept that has changed millions of lives over the past 18 years. First, let's talk about your duty as an upline. The duty as an upline, I believe, is the most important duty that has come into your life ever since you signed up somebody. Whether it's one downline or 1 million downlines, doesn't make a difference. Your duty doesn't change. The concept doesn't change. That your duty, firstly, is to be there for your people. That an upline cannot be unavailable. An upline cannot be too busy to look after his or her downlines. An upline cannot prioritize his or her life over the dreams of their downlines. So the duty of an upline is first to be available. Now you may be thinking, this is so simple, Chief. You will be surprised how many people have complained to me on WhatsApp every single day that their upline is not available for them. Whether on WhatsApp, for counseling, basic building block number 7, for any aspect, availability. Now today with technology, you got 2 phones, 3 phones, 5 phones, you can be available. And it's not about being physically available. It's being available for that person when they need you. Whether responding to a WhatsApp, and for all of y'all who haven't got a response, you're getting it now, because I'm catching up with 1,000 over WhatsApp right now. And that's my duty towards you as an upline, to be available. And I may not be able to sit with you and have coffee, but I'm available on my phone. That's the first rule as an upline. The duty to be available. This is fundamentally important, all right, for each of you. Number 2, all right, it's your duty to focus on the concept of success in yourself. That I believe that earning money, all right, to fulfill your dreams, earning money to basically buy that car, buy that dream is for your own dreams. But the duty of success is for your downlines. That means success is not a choice. It is part of your duty, because if you are an upline, your success is going to inspire thousands of people, all right, to achieve their dreams. So now suddenly, all right, your success is not a choice. It's not a fantasy. It's not a hope. It's a duty that I perform as a duty. I be the best Patman I can be for Dato Sri Vijay and Japa as my duty towards them. And success must convert from something you're wishing for to a duty. And only then will you understand the power of network marketing. So if you are an upline, maxing out is a duty. Hitting weekly checks is a duty. Being switched on, being limitless is a duty, not only a choice. All right? Now your third duty, all right, is to completely, consistently be an inspiration to others. That your duty is to be positive. Your duty is to be an inspiration. That today could be my worst day in my life, but it's my duty in front of this camera today to be positive and inshallah inspire you to greatness and limitless. This is my duty. So whatever challenges I have in life, whatever problems, whatever emotional meltdown some people have, doesn't apply to Patman Senati Raja as your chief. My chief, all right, which is Dato Sri Vijay. He has always been switched on and positive when he dealt with me. And I know the challenges he has as our great grand upline, but he performs his duty as an upline to perfection. That he only emits positivity, that he only inspires, he only raises people. This is his duty, and it should be your duty. As an upline, our duty is to remain positive. Our duty to be an inspiration to everyone. It is our duty, all right, to switch people on, not switch people off. Now this is your duty as an upline. Your duty of guiding people. Your duty of performance and pushing people out of your comfort zone. So have a paradigm shift. That this is not a job, all right? This is not a fun business. This is about duty. Why it's duty? Because it involves people's lives. Like a soldier is protecting the lives of the citizens of the country. You are empowering lives every single day. It cannot be taken as just an activity. It is a duty that you must perform. And you only can perform a duty from here. You only can perform a duty at 100%, not 99.99. Then you have a duty as a networker, a duty towards the industry, a duty towards yourself, right? To perform and do what you need to do as a networker. That you made a commitment to yourself. This is what people don't understand. You made decisions, you made commitments, and you make promises to a lot of people. But you fail to see that the biggest decisions, the biggest commitments, the biggest promises you made was to yourself. Nobody knows about this. And you know how you fail at these commitments every day. Whether it is to complete your Rule 3, to complete a presentation, to hit your target for the week. These are duties as a networker. That the first duty of a networker is to never stop networking. Because you cannot call yourself a networker if you're not networking. So the duty, all right, of presentation. Presentation is not only to get BV. Presentation is a duty. To me, after 18 years, after being financially free, I still do presentation because it's a duty of a networker. It is my duty. I am a networker. So what is my duty as a networker? To never stop doing presentation. Alright? It is my duty to run my business, to perform my role as a networker professionally. I don't lie. I don't cheat. I don't need to do this. Alright? Now they're calling me. Okay? My duty. I don't need to cheat. I don't need to lie. I don't need to do anything to perform my duty as a networker. Alright? This is my duty as a networker. Alright? To do my business professionally. To do my role as a networker professionally. This is my duty. It is my duty to stand for integrity. Alright? My duty to stand for the truth and fight any battle without fear. So any challenge comes, your duty as a networker is to fight for the truth. Alright? Fight for the dream. Fight for the industry of network marketing with no fear. That is a duty of a networker. My duty is to be loyal to my uplines. Dato Sri Vijay and Japadas Bismarck. Because the core duty of a networker is to represent, practice loyalty. This is something that I hold very close to my heart. That I don't see them only as my uplines. I see Dato Sri Vijay and Japadas Bismarck as people who have changed the world. And my loyalty to them is part of my DNA. That duty, it is my duty to be loyal to them. So I want this Wednesday message to be a serious message to all of you. You're allowed to smile. But turn your life journey into a journey of duty. Take everything you do in this business, in QNet and the V. Take your love life. Take your fatherhood, motherhood, brotherhood, sisterhood to a whole new level. Alright? As duty. That our role in life is to perform our duty with limitless commitment. Our role in life is to perform our duty from our heart with limitless sincerity. So welcome to your duty. Max out because it's your duty. Fly because it's your duty. Look after your organization because it is our duty. And I give you my commitment, all right, as your chief, as your upline, that I will perform my duty towards you 100% from here. I love you guys.